Have you ever wondered how professionals detect hidden water leaks, overheating electrical components, or faulty circuit boards without tearing everything apart? That's where a thermal camera becomes an incredibly useful tool. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Mileseey TR20 and the more advanced TR20 Pro, two upgraded thermal cameras designed for technicians, electricians, engineers, and serious DIY users. Let's explore what these models offer and see which one is the better choice for your needs. At first glance, both models feature a rugged handheld design with a bright 2.8-inch LCD display that makes thermal images easy to view. They also carry an IP65 rating, offering protection against dust and water, making them suitable for indoor and outdoor inspections in demanding work environments. One of the biggest highlights of both the TR20 and TR20 Pro is their 320 by 240 infrared thermal resolution. This high-resolution sensor captures detailed thermal images, making it easier to identify hot spots, hidden heat loss, overheating components, and temperature differences that may not be visible to the naked eye. Both models also feature a thermal sensitivity of less than 40 mK, allowing them to detect even subtle temperature changes. Combined with a wide temperature measurement range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, these cameras are suitable for everything from electronics repair to industrial equipment inspections. The TR20 provides the essential thermal imaging functions needed for everyday inspection work. With its single thermal imaging mode, it is ideal if your primary goal is locating heat-related problems quickly and accurately, delivering reliable performance for a wide range of applications. The TR20 Pro, however, takes things a step further by adding a dual-camera system with several advanced viewing modes. In addition to standard thermal imaging, it includes digital mode, fusion mode, picture-in-picture, and fusion offset adjustment. These extra features allow you to combine thermal and visible images, making it much easier to identify the exact location of a problem during inspections. Both cameras also include 8 different color palettes, allowing you to choose the display mode that best highlights temperature differences depending on your working environment. With an ultra-smooth 50 Hz refresh rate, both models provide highly responsive, real-time thermal imaging without any lag while scanning electrical panels, machinery, pipes, or building structures. For storage, both cameras come with 8 GB of built-in internal memory, allowing you to save thermal images without requiring an external memory card. They also feature a built-in 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery that can provide up to 8 hours of operating time on a single charge, making them suitable for long inspection sessions. Whether you're repairing PCBs, troubleshooting electrical systems, detecting hidden water leaks, inspecting HVAC equipment, checking building insulation, or performing preventive maintenance on motors and mechanical equipment, both the TR20 and TR20 Pro are designed to handle a wide variety of professional inspection tasks. One of the biggest advantages of these thermal cameras is their combination of high infrared resolution, excellent thermal sensitivity, rugged IP65 construction, long battery life, and easy-to-use interface. They provide clear thermal images while remaining portable enough for everyday field work. The main difference comes down to imaging flexibility. If you simply need reliable, standalone thermal imaging for routine inspections, the TR20 is a solid and capable choice. But if you frequently perform professional diagnostics and want additional viewing modes like digital, fusion, and picture-in-picture to improve accuracy and make inspections easier, the TR20 Pro offers greater versatility. Overall, both the Mileseey TR20 and TR20 Pro deliver impressive thermal imaging performance and are strong options for technicians, electricians, engineers, maintenance professionals, and advanced DIY users. Choosing between them mainly depends on whether you need the Pro model's additional imaging features or simply want dependable thermal imaging at a more affordable price. If you'd like to check the latest price and available versions of the Mileseey TR20 and TR20 Pro, you'll find the links in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tool and technology reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.